Which constitutional body recommends the distribution of tax revenues between the center and the states? The correct answer is Finance Commission. The concurrent list in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from which country? The correct answer is Australia. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is Sukumar Sen. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? The correct answer is Article 17. The Gram Sabha consists of whom? The correct answer is all adults of a village. Who presides over the Rajya Sabha in the absence of the Vice President? The correct answer is Deputy Chairman. Which committee recommended the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? The correct answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha as per the Constitution? The correct answer is 552. The Central Vigilance Commission, CVC, was set up in which year? The correct answer is 1964. Which article of the Constitution deals with the formation of a new state? The correct answer is Article 3. The Constitution of India came into effect on which date? The correct answer is 26 January 1950. The idea of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from which country? The correct answer is USA. Which article deals with the suspension of fundamental rights during emergency? The correct answer is Article 358. Which constitutional amendment made the right to education a fundamental right? The correct answer is 86th Constitutional Amendment Act. The Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, is mentioned in which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is Article 315. Who appoints the governor of a state? The correct answer is President of India. The Panchayati Raj system was introduced by which Constitutional Amendment Act? The correct answer is 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Before its removal by the 104th Amendment, how many Anglo-Indian members could be nominated to the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is 2. The Supreme Court of India was established in which year? The correct answer is 1950. What is the quorum required for a session of the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is 1/10 of the total members. Single citizenship in India is provided under which article? The correct answer is Article 5. The National Commission for Women, NCW, was established in which year? The correct answer is 1992. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution of India was adopted on which date? The correct answer is 26 November 1949. The first Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in which year? The correct answer is 1951. The preamble of the Indian Constitution declares India to be a. The correct answer is Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic. Which article grants special provisions to Nagaland? The correct answer is Article 371A. Which amendment introduced GST in India? The correct answer is 101st Amendment. The procedure for impeachment of the President of India is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is Article 61. The governor of a state is appointed under which article? The correct answer is Article 155. The Right to Information (RTI) Act was passed in which year? The correct answer is 2005. Who is the highest law officer in a state? The correct answer is Advocate General. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? The correct answer is Part 4. Which schedule of the Constitution contains the Union, State and concurrent lists? The correct answer is 7th Schedule. Rajya Sabha members are elected for a term of how many years? The correct answer is 6 years. Niti Aayog replaced which institution? The correct answer is Planning Commission. How many schedules are currently there in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 12. The first Law Commission of Independent India was formed in which year? The correct answer is 1955. The 10th schedule of the Constitution is related to which law? The correct answer is Anti-Defection Law. How many members can be nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President? The correct answer is 12. Which body is known as the guardian of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Supreme Court. Which writ is issued to produce a person before the court? The correct answer is habeas corpus. The Panchayati Raj system was first implemented in which state? The correct answer is Rajasthan. The Council of Ministers in the Union Government is collectively responsible to which house? The correct answer is Lok Sabha. The Vice President of India is also the chairman of which house? The correct answer is Rajya Sabha. Who administers the oath of office to the governor of a state? The correct answer is Chief Justice of the High Court. Originally, how many subjects were there in the Union list? The correct answer is 97. The Anti-Defection Law was introduced by which constitutional amendment? The correct answer is 52nd Amendment Act. The Right to Education Act, 2009 is associated with which fundamental right? The correct answer is Article 21A. The right to constitutional remedies is guaranteed under which article? The correct answer is Article 32. The governor of a state holds office for a term of how many years? The correct answer is 5 years. Which fundamental right is called the heart and soul of the Constitution? The correct answer is right to constitutional remedies. Who is known as the constitutional head of the state government? The correct answer is Governor. The Finance Commission is constituted every how many years? The correct answer is 5 years. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? The correct answer is Chief Justice of India. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is President. The concept of fundamental duties was borrowed from which country? The correct answer is USSR. The first general elections in India were held during which years? The correct answer is 1951 to 52. The first State Reorganization Act was passed in which year? The correct answer is 1956. The Election Commission of India is established under which article? The correct answer is Article 324. The power to amend the Constitution is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is Article 368. Which schedule contains the list of recognized languages in India? The correct answer is 8th schedule. Which article provides constitutional status to panchayats? The correct answer is Article 243. How many judges are there in the Supreme Court of India, including the Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is 34. Which constitutional amendment added the words socialist and secular to the preamble? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment. How many subjects are there in the state list of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 61. Which article provides for the establishment of the Controller and Auditor General, CAG, of India? The correct answer is Article 148. Which body conducts elections to panchayats and municipalities? The correct answer is State Election Commission. What is the minimum age required to become the President of India? The correct answer is 35 years. The first no-confidence motion in the Lok Sabha was moved in which year? The correct answer is 1963. The right to equality is enshrined in which articles of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Articles 14 to 18. Which article allows the President of India to declare a national emergency? The correct answer is Article 352. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? The correct answer is President of India. Which case is associated with the basic structure doctrine of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Keswananda Bharati case. Which fundamental right was removed from the original list by the 44th Amendment? The correct answer is right to property. The Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act was passed in which year? The correct answer is 2013. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? The correct answer is President of India. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How many recognized languages are currently included in the 8th schedule? The correct answer is 22. The preamble of the Indian Constitution is based on which historic document? The correct answer is Objective Resolution 1946. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is G.V. Mavlankar. What is the minimum voting age in India? The correct answer is 18 years. Who can dissolve the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is President. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? The correct answer is Satchidanand Sinha. Which of the following states does not have a legislative council? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Which constitutional amendment reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? The correct answer is 61st Amendment. The National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, was established in which year? The correct answer is 1993. Which article deals with freedom of speech and expression? The correct answer is Article 19. The directive principles of state policy are borrowed from which country's constitution? The correct answer is Ireland. Which is the largest union territory of India by area? The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 11. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 3. The joint sitting of Parliament is presided over by whom? The correct answer is Speaker of the Lok Sabha. How many fundamental rights are currently guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 6. The National Commission for Scheduled Castes is established under which article? The correct answer is Article 338. Who was the first woman governor of India? The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Which was the first state formed on a linguistic basis in India? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which article of the Constitution defines the Union of States? The correct answer is Article 1. Which constitutional amendment is known as the Mini-Constitution? The correct answer is 42nd Amendment Act. The Supreme Court of India is located in which city? The correct answer is New Delhi.